Ebusia for her eye attention TV. Any say enche ye bia ana Kelvin Taylor beke kan say bi edifa Bible any Quran ho a enam soma Muslim ifo ni bi eba social media so ebe reply Kelvin Taylor na Kelvin Taylor say metwa fofo bi e de atomanum de ana mentime me ne de wa so me bi manum na me gene ho na etofom na kire say na Kelvin Taylor esan so e de reply e de abeso Muslim ifo yenkwai na yenkuti.
Found on social media, Facebook, YouTube, and I could see say Nipebi I imagine say they are going to use me to pay their rent. Some group of politicians, some group of Ghanaians, I imagine say Kevin Taylor has been doing something via it is enlightening Ghanaians, especially our Muslim brothers and sisters. So the agenda is that find ways and pitch Kevin Taylor against the Muslim community or the Islamic religion. And it's something it's quite interesting. Now, this issue of an episode, and I'm directing this issue to our Muslim brothers and sisters. The issue was about Quran. The issue was about Islam. But I want to say this. That particular episode, the topic wasn't about Islam. The topic wasn't about Quran. Any statement in my video, which I will not sit here and say it wasn't me, no. Some were examples, some were emphatic statements, there are different issues near Kanoha. Ubi betuma ka sembi na eyentro. Ubi betuma ka sembi nebia obonjo so. Enchesa asemni yentro. The fact is sebia obonjo so no emma asemni yentro. So everything you saw in that video going around, MPP boys, some Zongo boys, social media, putting out there, forcing some of our Muslim brothers and sisters to accept, and turn around to put pressure on our production that ye di a year Quran attempt, ye di a year Prophet Muhammad attempt. And let me correct this. I am not a Muslim. And if even Muslims, sometimes more Muslims, you mention Muhammad's name and you forget to add Prophet. And if people have been watching this show for years, and I say, be honest with yourself as a Muslim, or you are sorry 5 times a day. Muslim, or you incrimuni papa. That's a watch show from day one till date. You will respect and understand, say, some of you Muslims, Krano, I respect the Islamic religion than some of you. With all due respect, and I'm going to say it. Actually, you want to be canon. Actually, you want to do politics with what I'm saying today. If there is any platform I show our Islamic religion a lot of respect, is this platform. If there's any journalist who has shown the religion, any Muslims in Ghana respect, it is this platform. If there's any platform I show the Quran respect, my name is Kevin Taylor. I will never on earth admit to a sin I did not commit. I respect every single person watching me. Every single Muslim, I will share with you a yasi afanenina in 24 to Nkora, to Allah, to the Prophet, to the Quran. No man on earth can force me to apologize for a sin I, Ekobedu Taylor, did not commit. Whatever statement I made on my show, I am still yet to see anybody who calls himself a Muslim, a human being like myself, say it is a lie. Whatever you are not pleased with was an example I gave which isn't a lie. You might not like my example, but it is a fact, and that does not make it a lie. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because if today as I sit here and the kind of respect I have for Allah, I have for the religion, I have for the Quran, if I sit here and allow men to force me to admit a sin against Quran, against Allah, against the Islamic religion, do you know what I have done? I have directly told Allah that I have sinned against him. I don't have that energy to stand before Allah and answer a sin I did not commit. Ebia Muslims are mutim no mo ya propaganda chicha video to TV so no. Sometimes no mo dwen say bia mo rent na mo pese mutia politician mi ne hye mo chi any ade nti you have gotten something. No, you got nothing. Enko baby, I'm me say. No man can force me to apologize to a sin I haven't committed. I'm not going to apologize because on Judgment Day, I cannot stand before Allah and knowing my heart that I did not commit a sin against Allah, His word, and the religion. I will not force a man to tell me to say I have committed a sin against Allah, because I cannot answer that question when Allah asked me. Because I, as Kevin Taylor, I will stand before Allah as an individual. If even I have committed a sin, it wasn't against any of you men. It was against Allah. So no man can force me here to admit to a sin I haven't committed. I am human. I came from humble beginnings. When I make a mistake, a genuine one, I am not God. I will humble myself and I will admit to it. But if I haven't, or when I haven't committed a sin, I will never admit to a sin that I haven't committed, especially a sin that men are forcing me to accept against Allah. Never. So I want to be straight on this matter. Now, let me address this too. Some people were telling me, don't talk about religion. I will speak on religion, whether Islamic religion or Christian religion, Judaism, whatever religion that I feel like speaking on, I will speak on, because none of us own a religion. Religion in obia dia. Religion in obia papa dia. Religion in obia maame dia. We are all followers and we are practicing. So if I feel I want to speak about religion, I will speak about religion, and no man born by a woman on earth can tell me don't speak on religion. Nobody. Because you don't own it, and I also don't own it. I am making these statements for those boys who have gone to politicians to take money to sit on social media and cut pieces of my voices and joining to incite me or incite Muslims against me, that they are making the biggest mistake. You know why? Because any honest Muslim who watched my show or watching me today, any honest Muslim who prays 5 times a day knows honestly that I will never sit on this platform and denigrate Islam and denigrate the Quran. So I wanted to send this message out there. No man, and none of you guys chanting and speaking and wailing and I'll kill you, none of you men is even clean enough today, if Allah calls you, that you will make it to paradise. So how or why should I admit to you what you want me to admit to? Every auntie, uncle, grandma, imam, malam, the honest ones who watch me, they know that
Kevin Taylor reply or the other some Muslim for and then the other some more attention TV show. Mameka will say subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, like, comment, and also share. Boaco University Foundation. I was 0548302985 Macau.